All right, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for tuning back in with me today. Just wanted to give an update on a question that I've been getting a lot lately, whether in email or in comment, and that is, will there be an Arkansas Eschatology Conference in 2025? Um, the best way I know to say it is that Travis won't let me have the conference. No, just kidding. We decided that we're not going to do one this year. A lot of things going on, um, as far as church wise, family wise, just some things like that. I mean, nothing to do with anything that happened last year. It was, I mean, honestly, for the first time, it couldn't have gone any better. And I'm going to hate not seeing some of you guys this year. I know that would probably be the only time and opportunity afforded face to face for us to get to meet and for you to see a lot of other people. So I am disappointed to that degree, but we are looking at 2026 and hopefully we can get something together for 2026 and maybe um, do something similar to what we did last year. That's our goal. I do want to invite anyone that's interested, though, that you're more than welcome to come and worship with us and fellowship with us. If you'd like to, make a weekend out of it and come down to First Baptist Church Mark Tree here in Mark Tree, Arkansas, then we'd love to have you at any time. And maybe send a message, make sure that, I'll be here or something before you come. But we would love to have you in that capacity. If you'd like to have some fellowship with some folks, and we've got some sweet folks here in our church, and they're a blessing to me and my family. I know they'd be a blessing to you as well. But sorry if that disappoints some people. I know that there was a lot of really good positive feedback on it last year. So again, 2026 is something that we'll be aiming at, and hopefully we'll be able to put some things together for that. There are some things I can't say, but as far as possibly another conference that may be in the works for 2025 that might interest some people, that won't be in the spring. That's a possibility and being talked around behind the scenes a little bit. So keep your eyes open for that. It's not my news to share, and I don't know if it's an official go or not, but I will at least say that there may be some hope for some people who are looking for something like that again at a different time in the year. If you are on the East Coast, which I know it's harder for some people in the West, then the Berean Conference is in April. And I'm not sure if he sold the Berean Conference out. He might have sold it out already. But if not, then you might check that out and check on Pastor Curtis's conference that he has out there in Chesapeake every year. So, want to say something about my channel. I plan on pumping a lot of content out, a lot of things coming in the works. Going to do some more stuff in 2025 for members only on YouTube and Patreon. Just say thank you to you guys and um, maybe give you access to some things that other people won't have access to, just as a token of my appreciation for you. My wife is on me. Andrea is hammering me. She's like, when I do this, these people do this and this. And she's like, you early releasing something's really not, that's really not much. So um, I've got a Zephaniah study, and I may not do it verse by verse, but I'll do it thematically or kind of topical. So I'm going to be looking at the book of Zephaniah, and I think that's going to be the first thing I'm going to do members only, and hopefully I'll get some of that up and going. So if you're a member on Patreon or YouTube, you'll have access to that. A gift of any amount, it doesn't matter, but just a way to support the ministry and what we're doing here. And I'll also be able to appease my wife and get her off my back in those regards. But anyway, thank you guys for all the support. I hope you have a great new year walking with the Lord, and I pray that God blesses you and your family immensely. Thank you so much for your support of our church here and our ministry. I'm praying that God would use us to spread the truth of what his word says, and that God would use us to bring people into his kingdom. That is a never-ending kingdom, to where the Spirit and the bride say come, and the gates are never shut, that people may come and know and walk with the true and living God. I'm looking forward to this year. I'm thankful to God for what I've learned in the past few years, and I'm praying that this year is even more abundant in some of those respects. So thank you guys for going on this journey with us, and for watching our channel, and for watching the things that are put out here at First Baptist Church of Mark Tree. Thank you to my congregation. Love you guys, and pray that God would use us mightily here in Northeast Arkansas, where he's planted us, and online all throughout the world. Got an email from Canada late last night just saying things like that just blow my mind, the way that God uses the internet and people who are blessed. And hopefully we'll continue to be able to teach truth and help people to walk with the Lord Jesus Christ and understand their Bibles along the way. So God bless you. Like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you soon. Take care.